Blind Guy TV. And what does a guy do on New Year's Day? He cleans his helicopter. So I'm here in the barn cleaning the Enstrom 280C. C stands for compressor, meaning a turbo, so it's a turbo shark. And it gets, because the hangar doors aren't on yet, it gets to the dust in from the front. Anyway, it's a bit difficult to reach on top, but there we are. Got to be very careful with his perspex, don't scratch. So, yeah. My next job is the Spitfire. I'll be washing that for our friend Diane. Probably its first wash in 50 years. No, I'm kidding, but probably 5 years. So, there we are. So if you come back to me, and I'll say Happy New Year to everybody, 2024. Please subscribe, like, comment, and pass it on to your friends. Bye.